Now, what is the neck? That part of the body joining head to the shoulders. Now, see, this is my head till here, and these are my shoulders. Now, there is something in between. Now, this in between part is the neck. The part of the body joining the head to the shoulders is neck. Example, she caught the cockroach crawling up her neck. उसने एक ऐसा कॉकरोच पकड़ा जो उसकी नेक पे चल रहा था. The next part of the body is skin. S-K-I-N. What does this mean? The body's outer covering, which protects against heat, light, injury, and infection. Now, this is the skin. Now, this protects me against heat. It protects me against the injuries and infections. Example, she has a soft skin. You must have seen the ads in the TV. You know, they give different creams for the soft and smooth skin. So that is this part or anywhere. The covering of your body is the skin. The next part of the body is teeth. T-E-E-T-H. Now, what are these? Teeth are hard, mineral-rich structures which are used to chew food. Now, when you eat something, how do you chew it? आप उसे कैसे चबाते हो? Using your teeth. So, this is the meaning of the word. Now, taking an example, he finished brushing his teeth, rinsed his mouth, and then wiped it. Now, this is something difficult, no? Let us take an easy example. I brush my teeth every morning. Now, what do? You put brush around your teeth. So, that is the explanation.